तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं क्लास 12 के लिए रेंज एंड डोमेन का ही लिया हूँ जो फंक्शन चैप्टर में आता है। तो 12th में सीबीएसई क्लास में भी ये कर सकते हैं यूज, और जीएससीबी में भी, गुड सेट में भी आ सकता है, जेई मेन में भी आ सकता है। आज है सैटरडे, दैट इज 26/04, लेकिन मैं कल में ये अपलोड करूँगा। ठीक है, देखते चलिए। देखिए, लॉग का फंक्शन लिया हुआ बार, फाइंड द डोमेन एंड रेंज ऑफ फंक्शन अंडर रूट लॉग बेस ई है, x² - 6x + 6। तो पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट दो पार्ट में है, डोमेन एंड रेंज। फर्स्ट पार्ट में स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, डोमेन। सिंस द गिवन फंक्शन अंडर रूट लॉग ई x² - 6x + 6, तो अंडर रूट में है तो ये तो ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0 होना चाहिए, लेस देन तो नहीं होना चाहिए। तो मैं यहाँ लिखा हूँ वी हैव लॉग ई बेस x² - 6x + 6 ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0। ई लॉग जब हटेगा तो ई ये 0 रेज बन जाएगा, तो रेज बन गया। देखिए, x² - 6x + 6 ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू ई रेज 0। तो वी नो दैट something per 0, then result will be 1. I have written here, that is x² - 6x + 6 greater than or equal to 1। अब RHS से लेस देन लेफ्ट साइड में लाएंगे तो साइन विल बी चेंज। व्हेन चेंज ऑफ द पोजीशन RHS to LHS, sign will be changed, that is +1 will be -1, that is we may write x² - 6x + 6 - 1 greater than or equal to 0. After this, x² - 6x + 5, because 6 - 1 will be 5. Then now factorization of this, 5 into 1, sum this, 5 into 1, factorization of 5, we may write 5 into 1, sum of this 6, a splitting of middle term, that is this will be, also we may write -5 into -1 becomes +5, a sum -6, that is here -6. to bring this type, x² - 5x - x + 5, that is x - 1 factor in 2 factor, because degree is 2, the factor should be 2. So 1 factor and second factor, greater than 1, greater than 5. The greater than 1, so that is here less than 1, therefore this not greater. So we may write x less than or equal to 1 and x greater than or equal to 5. This type, this on the number line I have shown -infinite to +infinite. This left side exists and this x side, this is not taking. So we may write domain of function -infinite to 1 taking and +5 to +infinite. This is final result of the domain. Now let us consider second part for the range. Given this x² - 6x + 6 for log greater than 0 nor or equal to 0, because log 0 does not exist, So therefore always we may write only greater than 0. So find the value of x, that is roots of x. Roots of x, that is -b plus b, b plus minus under root b² - 4ac. Substitute this value, we get this. So 4 √2 under √3. So taking common 2, so we get this, x is equal to this, that is x less than this, x greater than this. 3 minus 1.7, we get 1, near about 1, and 3 plus 1.7, we get 5. That is, I have written here x less than or equal to 1 and x greater than or equal to 1, which is roots I have written. That is log e x square minus 6x plus 6 is equal to log 1. Substitute the value of 1, we get 1. Substitute the value of 5, we get 1. So that is 1 square 1, 6, 7 minus 6. The log 1 is equal to 0. Both exist for 1. Similarly, we put 5. 5 5 is 25 plus 6, 31. 6 into 5, 30. 31 minus 30, log 1. Log 1 will be result 0. Understood? Greater than 0. Log 1 0. A starting log value of 0 may be possible, but log 1 does not write here 0. I have written here not defined. So that is range will be 0 to infinite. I have written here on the number line. So obviously range of under root this is equal to 0 to infinite. This is final result, student. Student, if you like my video lecture, then please subscribe and also like and cooperate student me. If any doubt or in the any problem, you write in message comment. I will solve with WhatsApp number. Always write in comment section WhatsApp number. I will add your WhatsApp number with me, and any doubt I will solve your any problem. Understood? Thank you student watching for my video. Aujo.